Okay, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a design profile in a few steps. First, I'll go to my model. I'll create an alignment and create the design profile so quickly. So let's say, for example, alignment is around this region. So we shall use the polyline, and I will use the create alignment from objects command to create the alignment and also create the profile subsequently. So first, I'll just position my alignment or my polyline anywhere. Here it is, and then I'll escape. So for this polyline, I'll create an alignment from objects. Then I'll press enter. It's now moving from this direction towards that one, which I want. Then press enter to accept direction. Then name your alignment, maybe alignment A. Type is of a center line. Then I'll leave everything as default. Erase the existing elements. This is a straight line, so create alignment. We shall not go deep into the styles of the alignments, but I'll create a profile from here. Create surface profile, then I'll source this surface because this is my OGL surface, or I can source this one. Then I add drawing profile. I'll use the profile view style, and I'll use the minor junction style for the bands. Then I'll create profile. Program requests where to place it, and I'll place it here. So you can see this is already a preset design style that I created with the chain edge, existing ground level in green, which depicts the surface style there, and the design level, which shall appear in white as I design here, then the level difference between the design and existing ground level, then the horizontal geometry, and then vertical geometry. So I'll go ahead and create the design profile, which is our main concern in this tutorial. And to create the design profile, you either come to here and then say profile creation tools, then select one of the grids on the profile, then you can create a profile, design profile, or you can simply click the profile on one of the grids, then you go to profile creation tools. Then you can give a name to your profile, or you can have a preset naming template, or numbering style for every profile that you create, depending on the alignment you have created. But for now, I'll say alignment A design profile. Then I'll use the style of the design profile, which is in display is white, to match our design level color for the levels. Then I'll click OK. I'll just, for the purposes of presentation and neatness of work, I'll use straights. I can use straights. You can draw straights with curves or curve settings and convert curves, but the mainly used properties are the draw straights and then draw straights with curves. I'll first use straights with curves, mostly used. Then is the first point. Certainly, maybe if I want my point of vertical intersection to be here, maybe I'll create it here, then and I'll create the endpoint here. I just don't want to have a lot of segments across my profile. So you can see I have one vertical curve around this point. It'll allow me push this high above for visibility purposes, to be visible for just presentation in this tutorial. You can see that we have a K value of 16. The length of the vertical curve is 107 meters. The high point of elevation is that one, and the point of station is 0 plus 9572. And the beginning point is at chain edge 2.8, and the end point is around this end of vertical curve station 110. So we have one straight, then a curve, then we have another straight. But as well, you may wish anyway, add, you go to the geometry editor, then you can say maybe you want to add straight only. Then, you may wish to start off from here, then create a straight, then maybe you break it. Then also maybe you can still use draw fixed straights here, or you can continue with your straights and then pick that point and then click here. So in the event that you want to have a curve in between, because there is not such a thing as such a road that gives sudden shock to the drivers, so you may wish to have a vertical curve that is existing between two straights. So you may have free vertical curve, more free vertical curve, maybe free vertical curve, more fixed vertical curve between 2 points, and then a parameter, then element end through point. We can choose this one. Specify start point, specify end point. You may take it to be a crest, then you may say specify k value. You may wish to specify 100 maybe, and see how it comes out. This is too sharp, wow. Or you may delete this very element. You may wish to delete this very element, delete element is that command. Then fixed vertical curve, more free vertical curve, element end through point. Then 2 points greater, and there are many options of drawing these curves. There are very many. You find other than free vertical curve. There's the circular. You select this one, then there's this one. You can choose the pass through option, so that maybe it can pass here. Then at the end of the day, you have this kind of curve. Then you can add labels and then say okay. So those are different ways of creating a design profile. I'm deleting these elements because I don't need them. So in this, finally, what we can do is to make sure that these levels match what we have designed. These are chain edges matching the design profile. These are levels matching the OGL surface, or the existing ground surface. Then the design level matching the design profile, and as well the vertical geometry. So click here, then go to profile view properties. Then here under the design level, we shall attach alignment A. Then also here we shall put alignment A, then alignment A. Then the level difference shall have alignment A. Then click apply, and everything updates. Wow. So the K value, which is 16, length of vertical curve, which is 107. So you can see everything is the same, everything is okay according to the design levels and